remanufactured engine, remanufactured inside, outside, changed to new one. You see the tensioner, the fan, all the belt, alternator, as well as this original injector pump, starter, flywheel, turbocharger, all with original parts. The most important is inside. The inside is brand new, original one. So that's why our engine can guarantee for 1 year. I'll take more pictures for you. Of course, this air compressor, very important, the connector. Okay, and here, let me tell you what is most important is inside. Inside there are 4 pieces of these bolts, must be original, and the position selection must be very good. Okay. New fan, even the exhaust changed to new one. This complete remanufactured 371 horsepower WD 615.47 engine.